Good morning, student. Children, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sen Gupta of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School, Gola Road, Danapur. So, children, how are you? I think all of you are fine. So, children, I am going to start my today's session of unit number 5. That is chapter, name of the chapter is length, and then worksheet number 2. So, in this chapter, we will study to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. To convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So firstly we will discuss converting centimeters into meters. Okay children, all of you know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Always keep in mind the relationship between the centimeters and meter is 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Now let us take an example. 200 centimeter. So what we will do, in order to convert the smaller unit from smaller unit to bigger unit, we will have to do division. In the previous chapter class, I have told you how to convert the bigger unit from bigger unit to smaller unit. What I have told you, that we have to multiply with the 100 or 1000, right, in order to convert from bigger to smaller. Now here we have to convert from smaller unit into bigger unit. So here in converting the centimeter into meter, what we will do, this is 200 centimeter. So I have to convert it into meter. It means centimeter is a smaller unit and the meter is the bigger unit. So what we will do, this 200 will be divided by 100, correct, 100, and then the answer is, as I have told you, the division with the 10, 100, 1000, you have learnt it. But still I am telling you that 100 is having the 2 zeros. Okay. So I will remove the 2 digits from the right side of this dividend. 200 is a dividend and 100 is a divisor. So 2 zeros are here. So I will remove the 2 digits from the right side of the dividend, that is from right side 1 and 2. So I will remove these 2 digits. Now how much, which one is left? This 2. So this 2 is 2 and it is converted from centimeter to meter. So here in this way children, we can convert from centimeter to meter. We have to divide the number of centimeter by 100. Always remember, we have to divide the number of centimeters. The numbers of centimeters, this is the number. Number of centimeters are divided by 100 and then it is converted into meter. After division by 100, then the 2 zeros are removed from the right side of the 2. So 2 zeros and then only 2 digit is left. So it is 2 meter. Now let us take another example. Now all of you see. That is 1100 centimeter. How we will convert it from centimeter to meter? Simple. What I have told you, divide the number of centimeter. Here number of centimeter is 1100. So this 1100 will be divided by what? 100. Because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Correct? Now here 100 is having 2 zeros. So I will remove these 2 zero from the 100 from the right side. So what is left? 11. So answer is 11 meter. Correct? Now let us discuss another topic. The another topic is children, converting meters into kilometers. Okay, as you all know, I have told you that 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, right? So we will use this relationship. So now let us take an example, 5000 meter. here I have to convert this meter, unit meter into unit kilometer. So what we will do? We divide the number of meter by 1000. So here, what is the number of meter here? 5000. So 5000 will be divided by 1000. Why? Because the relationship between the kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So after division, we get 5 kilometer. Correct? 3 zeros are here. Remove 3 zeros from this side. So 5 is left. So 5 will be is a 5 kilometer. Okay? Now here, let us take another example. Very simple, children. You have to divide with the, in order to convert from meter to kilometer, just divide by 1000. Okay. So here let us take another example. 43,000 meter. Right. What we will do? What is the digit of meter? 43,000. This. So divide 43,000 by 1000. Why? Because 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So in dividing, 3 zeros are here in the divisor. So I will remove 3 zeros from the right side of the dividend. So what is left? 43. So it is 43 kilometer. Correct, children? Now come to the next. Here what we have done? I have done that we divide the numbers of meter. Here, what is the number of meter? 43,000. So we divide numbers of meter by the 1000 to convert meter into kilometer. We divide number of meter by 1000 to convert meter to kilometer. Now let us come to the another point. What we will do to convert centimeter into meter and centimeter. So next point is converting centimeters, okay, centimeters into meters and centimeters. Converting centimeters into meters and centimeter. So let us take an example. 326 centimeter. So here 326 centimeter. We split this 326 centimeter into 300 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Correct? Now we divide this 300 centimeter by 100 and then write this 26 centimeter along with it. So 300 is divided by 100. Remove this 2 zeros are there in 100. 2 zeros are there in 100. So we remove the 2 zeros from the right side here. So we get 3. Correct? So 3 is what? Here centimeter is converted into meter. And we will write down this centimeter as it is. 26 centimeter. Okay? Now let us take another example. Now here children, all of you see. 598 centimeter. What we will do? Firstly, first step, we split this 598 can be written as 500 meter and 98 500 centimeter and 98 centimeter. This 598 centimeter can be written as 500 centimeter and 98 centimeter. So this 500 centimeter is more than 100 centimeter. Okay, now I am going to convert this 500 centimeter will be converted into meter. So we divide the number of centimeter by 100 and then write down this 98 centimeter as it is. Okay, now this 500 divided by 100, it gives 5. And what is the unit of this 5? Meter. And write down this 98 centimeter along with this 5 meter. Okay children, in this way you have to convert centimeter into meters and centimeters. Now let us convert meters into kilometers and meters. Now for example children, 8024 meter, correct? Now we split this 8024 we can write as 8000 meter, right? 8000 and 24 meter. Okay, here 24 is less than 1000, but here 8000. So what we will do, we will convert this 8000 meter into kilometer, correct? So what we will do, we divide this 8000 by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equals 1000 meter. Now I will write down this 24 meter along with it, correct? Now dividing by 1000, 1000 is having 3 zeros. So I am removing the 3 zeros from the right side of the 8000. So 8 is remains. So it is 8 kilometer and 24 I will write as it is along with 8 kilometer. Now it becomes 8 kilometer and 24 meter. In this way, what I have done, in order to convert meter into kilometer and meter, what I have done, we divide the number of meter by 1000. We divide the number of meter by 1000. We divide number of meter by 1000 in order to convert into kilometer and meter. I have divided 1000 with the 8000 meter. Okay. Now, let us come to the point. Worksheet number 2, question number 1. Children, please look carefully and attentively. So, this is unit number 5 and worksheet number 2. Come to question number 1. What is the question number 1? Convert into meters and centimeters, right? Centimeters. So A, 700 centimeter. So I have to convert this 700 centimeter into meter and centimeter, right? This meter and centimeter I have to convert this 700 centimeter. What we will do? We divide the number of centimeter. We divide the number of centimeter. What is the number of centimeter here? 700 by 100. We divide the number of centimeter by 100, then we get 7, and then here unit, this centimeter will be converted into meter, and then here centimeter. So here there is no centimeter because the remainder is not left, so it is 0 centimeter, correct? Now let us take another example. Look carefully. Second example. B. B. 3500 centimeter. Correct? 3500 centimeter. Okay. So here the number of centimeter will be divided by 100. Okay. Now when a number is divided by 100, then what is the quotient? The 100 is having 2 0. Okay, now I will remove the 20 from the left side of this number. Okay, this 0 is the remainder and 35 is the quotient. I have taught you in the previous class. So this 35 quotient, it will become 35 meter, and this remainder 0 will become centimeter. Correct, children? The quotient will be meter and the remainder will be centimeter. Now let us take another example. Another example is 625 centimeter. Right. Now this number of centimeter, in order to convert into meters and centimeters, the number of centimeter will be divided by 100. Here the number of centimeter is 625. So 625 will be divided by 100. Okay. Now I have taught you the division by 100. 100 is having two zeros. So I will remove the 2 digit from the right side of 625. So I will remove this 2 digit. Okay, the digit that is left, that is 6, it will become 6 meter. This is quotient, 6 is a quotient. This quotient will become 6 meter, and this removed digit 25, it will become centimeter. So here quotient and this is remainder. So quotient will become meter, bigger unit, and the remainder will become the centimeter. Correct, children? What I have done, I have divided 625 by 100, and then in 100 there are 2 zeros. So I am removing, I will take away 2 digits from the right side, 1, 2. Okay. Now only 1 digit 6 is left. This is the quotient. So 6 quotient will be converted as a meter, 6 meter. 6 will be taken as 6 meter, and the remainder is 25. So remainder, this will be taken as smaller unit, that is centimeter. So it is 6 meter 25 centimeter. Now come to the next question. It is question number 2. In question number 2, same conversion is there. Here you have to convert into kilometers and meters. I have told you, children, what we have to do in order to convert into kilometers and meters. What is the relationship between the kilometer? 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Right? So let us take example. 9000 meter. What I will do? I will divide the number of this meter 9000 by how much? 1000. Why? Because 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So dividing by 1000, 1000 is having 3 zeros. So I am removing this 9000 is a dividend and 1000 is a divisor. So from divisor is having 3 zeros. So while division I will take away the 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros will be taken away and this single digit 9 is left. So 9 will become kilometer, and these 3 zeros, this is remainder, these 3 zeros will become meter. So in this way 9000 meter is converted into kilometer and meter. Okay. Now let us take another example. Look carefully. Example is 30 B. Example is 35,000 meter. Okay. So this 35,000 meter. So the number of this meter, that is 35,000, will be divided by what? Divided by this 1000. Right? So when we are dividing with 1000, 1000 is having 3 zeros. So I will remove 1, 2, 3. This 3 zeros away. I will take away 3 zeros. Now this 2 digit 35, it is as a quotient. So this 35 will become kilometer. and this taken away, removed digit 0, 0, 0. So it will be remain the smaller unit, that is meter. So 35,000 meter is converted into, after dividing 35,000 by 1000, it becomes 35 kilometer. The digit which is left after the division, that is quotient. Quotient will become the greater unit, 35 kilometer, and the remainder will remain as a smaller unit, 35 kilometer and the 0 meter. Now let us take another example. Example is C. 1, 5, 6, 2, 3 meter. Here, what is that number of meter? 15,623. What I will do? I will divide 15,623 by 1000. Why? Because 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Right? So, here 1000 is having 3 zeros, so I will take away this 3 digit from right side of 15,625. 1, 2, 3. So I am removing this. So the digit which is left, 1515, it is kilometer. Correct? And this removed digit 625 is a remainder. So remainder will be the smaller unit, that is meter. So 15,623 meter. When we have to convert, the number of meter is divided by 1000. Then 1000 is having 3 zeros. I will remove 3 zeros from the right side of the digit. So the digit that is left, that is 15, it is converted, it will become kilometer, and the remainder 623, the number which are taken away, which are removed, the 623 will become the smaller unit, that is 623 meter. So now children, again I am recapitulating it. What I have discussed. First point is converting. In this topic I am discussing about converting the smaller unit into the bigger unit. Okay. So firstly, what I have taught you, that converting from centimeter to meter. Right? Converting centimeter from meter. For example, 520 centimeter. It will be, we have to convert into meter. So what we will do? We will divide 520 centimeter by 100. Correct? 100 is having 2 zeros, so I will remove this 2 zero, and this 5 will become what? It will become 5 meter. Right? And 20 centimeter. This remainder will become 20 centimeter. Here you have to convert centimeter from centimeter to meter and meter. Okay. So in order to convert from centimeter to meter and centimeter, what we will do? 520 centimeter, it will be divided by 100. So quotient, that is 5, it will become meter, and the remainder become centimeter. Now next is converting the meter into kilometer and meter. Converting the meter into kilometer and meter. So here meter. We have to convert into kilometer and meter. What we will do? For example, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2 meter. Okay. So we have to convert this 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, that is 89,000, 89432 meter. So what we will do? The number of meter, that is 89,432, will be divided by what? 1000, because 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So when we are going to divide, we have to convert this meter into kilometer, and we convert meter into kilometer and meter. We divide the number of meter by 1000. 1000 is having 3 zeros, so I will remove 3 digits from the right side. Now this 89 will become kilometer, and this removed digit 432, it will become meter. Okay children, now let us recapitulating it. We will go to the another point. So here point is, we convert centimeter meters into meters. For example, 400 centimeter, right? 400 centimeter. What we will do? 400 centimeter will be divided by 100. Why 100? Because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So after division, this 400 is divided by 100. 100 is having 2 0. I will remove these 2 zeros from the right side. So 4 is left. So 4 will become meter. Okay. And if you will have to write down centimeter also, then it will have 0 centimeter. Correct? Now, come to the next point. That converting meter into kilometer only. So we will convert meter into kilometer. Okay. For example, 82000 meter. So here 82,000 meter. So how we will convert it? The number of meter. The number of meter is 82,000. It will be divided by 1,000. Right? Now, when a number is divided by 1,000, 1,000 is having 30. We remove this 30 from the right side. So 82 is left. This 82 will become 82 kilometer. So in this way, children, you will solve the converting into from the smaller unit to the bigger unit. What we will have to do? We will have to do division. When we convert centimeter into meter, divide by 100. When we convert meter to kilometer, divide by 1,000. Okay. Now, all this, keeping this concept in mind, what you have to do? Your C-work is worksheet number 2. C-work. Question number 1 is your C-work of worksheet number 2 of unit 5, and homework is question number 2. Right, children? So if you have any queries, you will contact me in my WhatsApp number. Hope you have enjoyed my class, children. I have tried to clear your concept. So till then, be safe, stay safe, and obey your parents. Goodbye, Shabba Khair.